If your dishes aren't getting as clean as you'd like them to be, or if you're getting watermarks on your glassware, it could be down to your levels of dishwasher salt and rinse aid. Let me show you why. So you probably already know that dishwashers need dishwasher salt in order to work, but why? Well, in order for dishwasher detergent to work, it needs soft water. The hard water that can come out of our taps simply won't do. So dishwashers have a built-in water softener. This water softener needs dishwasher salt in order to work. You can top up your dishwasher salt levels by pouring your dishwasher salt into your water softener at the bottom of the machine. Simply unscrew the cap, pour in the dishwasher salt till it's full, put the cap back on and you're done. Don't worry if you overfill it, just wipe away the excess. You may have noticed that I'm always saying dishwasher salt and not just salt. That's because you must use dishwasher salt only. Any other salt, like table salt, is far too fine, meaning it can actually leave the softener and damage your machine. Rinse aid is used to counteract the surface tension of water, stopping water droplets from forming, which is what causes streaks. But Bryn, you might be saying to yourself, my detergent tablet comes with built-in rinse aid. Well, the benefit of using separate rinse aid is that on most machines you can actually control the amount of rinse aid needed. On this model I can actually set it using the control panel, but a lot of models have a dial next to the detergent drawer. If your glassware is still coming out streaky, simply turn the setting up till everything is squeaky clean. Remember, you can order any replacement parts for your dishwasher or book your local Indesit engineer by visiting indesitservice.co.uk.